Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Carlos TR, and today I want to talk about the cheap and reliable camera for photography in Nikon series. Nikon D34. D34 is a camera that is super wow for photography. You can do it. It is multi-purpose. It has good shutter count. It has this camera is cheap. You can get it into all second-hand platforms. D35 is my second camera. D35 is super wow and wonderful camera to start with. It's the one that's replacing D34, and this camera is magnificent. It has all the quality. It has good quality video. It has quality pictures with 24 megapixel, and this camera is super for photography. And number 3 is my favorite camera that I started with photography, Nikon D53. D53 is a super camera with a screen flip. Yeah, I think all the 5 series have the flip camera, and this is so super wow. It is so wonderful for photographers and videographers, for all those YouTubers. If you're a YouTuber, there's the best camera for you in Nikon. If you're interested in photography and YouTube, you need to look for D53 or 5 series. These are the best camera. You should look into it. This camera has 24 megapixel with a good battery. It is so wonderful, and video it is 1080. Number 4 camera is a Nikon D56, and this is a new one in the market, I think, in 5 series. And this camera, it is good for you. It is cheap. It is around $490 or $500. In Kenyan shillings, we can say 50,000. We have a good camera. Yes, a pocket-friendly camera for you. If you're struggling as a photographer, you can start with that. Favorite camera that even now I'm recording video on it. Look at the video quality. Huh? It is Nikon D71, the 7 series. The 7 series, we have Nikon D7100. D7100 is in 7 series, and this camera is super wow for photography. All my pictures, if you check them on IG, Instagram as Carlos TR Photography or Identity Photography, you can check out all my accounts on, on Instagram. So all of them, they are good, and these cameras, they are super sharp for pictures. You need to be certain. And this camera was given by a friend of mine. Yep, a friend of mine, very dear friend. So this camera is super, it's so performable. Now it is 2 years that I'm using the same camera, so I'm doing photography with them. Hoping in future, when these videos get me paid on YouTube, please like that video. Don't forget to like that video. Don't do it now. Subscribe to that video and make it Carlos your number. Nikon D72. Yes, Nikon D72 is a wonderful camera with the same specs with the Nikon D71. They have the same specs, but it is just the 7 series, and it rounds. These cameras may cost you around $800, 80,000 there, to 124,000. So these are cameras that you need to check on when you're doing photography. I'll come back. Please subscribe. We'll talk another later on another video.